Rise bed to working height, lower side rail, and assist patient to appropriate position. Perform hand hygiene and wear clean gloves. Ask the patient if the temperature of water is okay for him. Nuhan met lang nga nalami is di panagri na nagitanong when na napudot. Place towel under patient head and over chest. Wash patient eyes properly. Use clean area of cloth. For each eye soap, crush on eyelids before attempting removal and dry eyes. Dry her face using towel. Place the towel under left arms. Remove the patient dress. Wash hands and nails. Fold bath towel on bed. Place basin on towel. Allow the hand to soak before cleaning. Nails dry. Hand well. Repeat on the other side. Remove the patient dress. After removing the patient dress, put in the soil bag. Wash hands and nails. Fold bath towel on bed. Place basin on the towel. Allow hand to soak before cleaning. Nails dry hand well. Wash abdomen. Place bath towel over chest and abdomen. Fold bath blanket down to just above public region bath. Rise and dry abdomen. Pay attention to sink hold dry well. Dispose the towel in soil bag. After doing all the procedure, get the dress of the patient and dress the patient and assist him properly. Lower the bed. Remove and dispose gloves. Perform hand hygiene. Ask the patient if she wants to apply lotion or moisturizer to her skin.